service, and good quality products such as fume extractor, cell phone LCD separating machine, cell phone bubble removing machine, cell phone LCD laminating machine, cell phone back glass removing machine, laser logo printer, electric screwdriver, automatic tape dispenser, automatic glue dispenser, automatic label dispenser, soldering station, soldering tips, ionizing air blower, anti-static, and many other accessories with the certificate such as CE, ROSE. We focus on quality and customer service as our business philosophy. Every product is shipped only after it passes the test. Engineers constantly practice the process, strictly control the quality of products in the process of production. Has enjoyed a big worldwide markets, including mainland China, America, Europe, Asia, and Middle East, with its popular products and heavy customer.